You know, you may not know this, but the ladies kind of dig on me. I mean, they come up and dance with me quite a bit. And the guys, they talk to me and they're like, how is it that you get these ladies just to come up and dance with you, you know? I try and go to them, you know, and they just run away from me like I'm some kind of friggin' triceratops. You want to know what it really is? You might be surprised about this, but it has nothing to do with my awesome dancing skills. Alright, I'm going to tell you what it is. It's all about the pants. Yep, the pants. I'm serious. No, I'm dead serious. See, girls used to never dance with me. I would always be dancing by myself, you know, going, why won't anybody pay attention to me? You know, and then about 10 years ago, I found myself these beautiful neon vertical striped pants, and it was all over. I mean it. Girls were coming from everywhere, shooting through open windows, falling down from the ventilation shafts, and coming up through the floorboards, and I felt like I was under attack. I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Where can I run? There's nowhere to run. Get down!